How to hard reset Logitech Folio Keyboard. I'm going to tell you how to hard reset your Logitech Folio Keyboard. First, locate the power button and the function key. Press and hold them together for about 5 seconds until the keyboard turns off and then back on. This completes the reset process. After resetting, you may need to repair the keyboard. Go to your device's Bluetooth settings, remove the keyboard if it's still listed, then reconnect it. If that doesn't work, try these extra steps. Charge the keyboard to ensure it's not a low battery issue. Restart your device and try reconnecting. Check for firmware updates on Logitech's website. And if the problem continues, consider contacting Logitech support for further troubleshooting.